Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Charge the AirPods Pro 3 case above 50% so pairing won't drop, and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, open the case and hold it next to your device. This triggers the pairing animation on iPhone or the setup prompt on Android. Make sure your phone is unlocked and close any other Bluetooth connections. If prompted, follow the on-screen instructions to connect. This initial handshake configures the AirPods basic link and device profile. Now you'll refine how the AirPods behave. Go into Bluetooth settings and tap the info icon to set press and hold for noise control or Siri. This decides your quick access action. Next, enable spatial audio and confirm noise control modes, active noise cancellation and transparency to match your environment. Make sure AAC is active on iPhone or appropriate codec on Android for best quality. Once done, run the ear tip fit test or manually check the seal. A proper seal improves finish by checking for firmware updates through the connected device and installing them. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then re-attempt pairing. This clears previous device links. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on, the devices are within 1-2 meters, and remove interfering electronics. If audio stutters, toggle Bluetooth off and on and retry. These steps resolve most final hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.